This is a quick little review on multiplicative property of equality with decimals. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to rewrite our equation. We have y divided by 7 equals 17.5. We always have to do opposite operations. So with a variable, we have y divided by 7. The opposite of dividing by 7 is multiplying by 7. So we have to multiply both sides by 7. When we multiply the left side by 7, these cross out and we just get y. So now let's find out what 17.5 times 7 is. Seven times 5 is 35. Carry the 3. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52. Carry the 5. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. And we have one number after the decimal point, so we also need one number after the decimal point in the answer. So y equals 122.5. And so we'll go ahead and put that in our answer and check it. And we are correct.